Reading partners will look different this year. For the first time, we are making weekly tutoring sessions available online.
A-E-I-O-U.
Reading Partners Connect's online tutoring will allow volunteers to provide valuable one-on-one tutoring experiences to students while limiting the spread of coronavirus and keeping our community safe. Reading Partners has reimagined our program with student and tutor success, safety, and tutor satisfaction in mind. Our lessons and libraries will look different, but our mission remains the same: to help children become lifelong readers, empower communities, and get results. If you have tutored with us before, you can expect the same consistent approach to instruction and quality materials you have come to know and expect from Reading Partners. Our AmeriCorps members and staff will still be available to guide you and answer any questions to ensure your success. With your support, students who start the year behind grade level in reading will have the opportunity to get back on track toward reading proficiency. Will you join us?